We are back. There's a bunch of fireworks. That's what the noise is. We're about to go look at some and we're going to light some off. So here we go. I'm YouTubing.
Oh no.
We both are vloggers, bro.
I saw a huge one
Oh my
through
God.
the trees.
Subscribe
to Adam and Aiden now.
This is Adam.
Everybody stay up in the grass.
Hi. It's New Year's Eve.
I'm YouTubing.
You know how
Get
I
out of
YouTube?
the
You know how I YouTube? I do worm. I do the worm in my vlogs.
I'm YouTubing. I'm YouTubing, Aiden.
You know how I like holding my camera?
Go off. As soon as they go off, I'll just
Like this.
You guys
Oh,
stay on
God.
me because I gotta reload. Once they start loading, like lighting a whole bunch of.
This is Sierra. And this is Alicia. And this is Aiden. And this is Adam.
Subscribe to Adam and Aiden.
And this is Max.
Get that light out of it.
I don't want to do sprinklers.
Hey.
Today's New Year's Eve.
It's New Year's Eve.
It's like I was on my hoverboard. Oh, my knee.
It's a full moon.
Subscribe to Adam Aiden and Max Moon. Like to the video.
Stick down.
It's not a stick.
Where?
You're YouTubing it, but you're not even getting on.
Hold on, do another
I
one.
want to kiss that tree.
I think it's better hold the camera like this. Where you have it like this.
I like it this way.
Oh.
Oh, I'm ripping this in half.
Go right up in the trees here. Don't like that like that.
Adam, get off the fire hydrant. Go. Adam's on top of the fire hydrant.
I stuck it in too tight.
That was awesome.
Did that make a hole in the ground? Watch it.
Look at the car go by.
Get back. The explosion radiation can hurt us.
The explosion radiation.
Max, get back.
The explosion radiation.
Get back.
This is awesome. Sorry it's so loud, but it's New Year's Eve.
New vlog. Dude, let's record the fireworks.
Where are they?
It's Sierra.
Okay. Come here, I'm gonna see. You got shoes on? Okay, well, yeah, you know what's up.
Max, do you know No, you don't show the camera on my face when I'm talking to you. Don't show the camera on my face. I'm serious. Don't.
Yeah.
Can't do those here at all.
Hey, guess what? Max. Do you know I've YouTube vid? Do you know I've joined YouTube vids with 5 people already? My cousin,
We should go down to that field.
Well, I told Zach what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna walk out to the
a bunch
road.
of us, my cousin, 3 other people, and then
Here.
you.
Yeah, that one's fine. Everybody get up out of the underneath the carport. Underneath the carport.
Go.
You see your keep that straight up, dude.
That light out of my dumb face.
Bubby, record it like going up. Record the phone going up. It'll get better. Just don't zoom in. Don't zoom in. Frick.
Sarah sucks at doing it. It didn't even pop. Everybody stay away
Don't
from
even
it.
stay. I'm gonna do it. Yeah.
Yeah, everybody stay away from that.
Look up when she.
Shit, saying great jobs here.
You're gonna explode the house. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Didn't explode.
Yeah.
Yeah, try it. I did. I knocked it over. Let's see it here. Sarah, give me one. You're not good at it.
I saw fireworks.
Screw. Oh.
Everyone jump.
Everybody jump. Yeah, yeah.
I broke my head. I ran across the head.
My phone, you douchebag!
Did you really just drop it? Fire in the hole!
Subscribe to my cousin. His YouTube channel's called Savage Vlogs.
Whoa! Whoa! Piggyback ride.
No! Oh, fine. You want me to piggyback ride?
Yeah. Piggyback ride.
Ah! You're so light. She's so light. She's only 48 pounds.
What? I weigh 62.
I weigh 68.
No, it went straight up.
Whoa!
Yes, it did.
I'm so light.
Hold on, Bear.
You're choking me.
We got the tip.
Whoa, I see fireworks. Thanks for lifting me
They're
up.
everywhere.
Last one until we go to the field and do it.
I can lift her up for hours. She's not even gonna start getting heavy.
I see fireworks. Put me down. There's lights over there.
Turn that off so we can
See
actually see
lights?
them.
This is YouTube channel.
I don't want
See it? There's
Oh, that
fireworks.
sucks. You can't do it. See.
Lift me up.
Even if I lift you up, I can't see him still.
I'll get on the car.
I'll lift you up.
See, don't land above your face.
Everyone get on the
Oh,
car.
sorry. There I go.
It's about to go.
Oh, get fire in the hole! Fire in the hole!
There she goes.
There it
Right
is.
there. She went to here.
And then we're gonna go out to the
Man, we went
field.
a whole bunch. I wish you could see those.
Get that light out of my
Oh, I see something. Yeah.
What? Like what?
Here's and here's Madison.
I always see lights.
And here's Alicia.
Fire in the hole!
And here's Sierra. And here's a firework.
Can't see on camera.
Ah, seriously?
That one. Oh! She's so pink. Here, Sarah, watch all these.
I can't.
Where you going? Where you gonna go?
She only
Nowhere.
46.6 pounds.
And she's
Give me a piggyback ride.
fine. I win.
Yeah,
Watch
watch.
this.
Be careful.
Don't run with me.
Give me
But we
that
did
one.
that before he fell.
Same time.
Just don't run. You look like you're wait. Okay, put me down. You want to pick it?
I want one.
Great. Mine's already going.
Oh God.
Fire in the hole!
Fire in the hole. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God.
Where did that one?
Oh my God!
Why did that one fall over?
That was really hard. Hurt my brain.
Okay.
You fell like a few seconds after your split.
You want to pick up my ride, Madison?
Alright.
Holy crap, you did the lights. That's not
Are you
Alright,
gonna
you guys
fire
that
one in
way.
beer can?
That way, up there, everybody.
I'll do it. I hope I fall.
Alright, watch out.
Guys, get in the grass. It's my helmet shield.
That was a good one.
It just fired right out the hole.
Alright, watch out.
All the beer cans getting hit by.
Coca-Cola. Okay, no more. Let's go inside.
I want to do a few more.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna do another one in just a couple minutes after my dad gets back. Okay. So bye. Make sure to
Pause it. Pause it.
to make sure to subscribe. I'm gonna
Leave a like.
No, I'm gonna make a part two. Yeah, leave a like and comment down below how you like it.
And snag that notification.